Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Signal app when it's not sending voice recordings. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, tap Settings on your mobile device. Once you're in Settings, tap Apps. This will show you all the applications installed on your phone. From there, tap Signal to access its specific settings. Now tap Force Stop. This will completely close the Signal app and stop any background processes that might be causing issues with voice recording functionality. A confirmation will pop up asking if you're sure you want to force stop the app. Go ahead and tap OK to proceed. Next, tap Permissions. This is where you can manage what Signal is allowed to access on your device. Tap Microphone, then tap Allow Only while using the app. This ensures Signal has the necessary permission to record and send voice messages when you're actively using it. After that, tap back to return to the previous screen. Tap back again, then tap back again, and tap back one more time to get back to your main settings menu. Now scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. This section contains important privacy settings that might be affecting Signal's ability to function properly. From here, scroll down and tap Privacy Controls. Look for microphone access in this menu. You'll see a toggle switch right beside it. Tap the toggle switch to turn on microphone access. This is a system-level permission that works alongside the app-level permission you set earlier, ensuring your device allows microphone usage across all compatible apps. Next, open the Play Store. Tap the search at the bottom of the screen. Search for Signal Private Messenger and tap it from the results. Now, if you see an update button right beside Signal Private Messenger, tap it. This will download and install the latest version of Signal, which often includes bug fixes for issues like voice recording problems. However, if you only see Open instead of Update, it means your Signal app is already up to date and you can skip this step. If an update is available, wait for it to finish downloading and installing. Once the update is complete, you need to restart your phone. Restarting ensures all the new permissions and updates take effect properly. And that's it. You've now fixed the Signal app's voice recording issue by adjusting permissions, updating the app, and restarting your device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.